Can you see him now? It's, can you say happy?
Hey, everybody.
Happy
Y'all,
day.
we got something new we're starting around this world. We want y'all to know as cool as we are. We're as cool as the other side of the pillow.
Yeah.
And we have our sunglasses are different than anybody else's sunglasses. We got these new kind of glasses that'll help you see people behind you.
That's the way they do.
And you can still look forward at the same time. That's right. And they only $9.95. If you call now, you get extra.
2 for free.
Yeah, call right now and you'll get 2 of them for free and you ain't even got to buy none.
I'm bad to lie.
Bye-bye. You ain't gonna hear no lie.